What if retail could use technology in a way that helped the physical world come alive? Retail's natural advantage is that it allows the customer to engage all of their senses. Most retailers are aware of this and work hard to create a total environment which is conducive to shopping. But now retailers have the option of using technology, like sensors, to create a more interactive and creative space for customers. While developing a system that incorporates different senses sounds great, when it's being pitched by a marketer, the reality of trying to implement this type of customer experience usually falls flat in the real world. Either the cost is too high, or it becomes too complicated to connect all of the different systems that are needed to have a truly interactive customer experience. So is it possible to have an integrated system that doesn't require a full-time technician to keep it up and running? The answer is yes, thanks to the IoT modular system called viewneo Butler. There are two ways that you can create interactive experiences. For example, when a user interacts with the display, they create an event. This event or action by the customer has the ability to automatically change the content which is displayed on the screen. This is referred to as event-driven content. Or the customer can also start an event by removing a shoe from the display case and causing the content to change to show additional information on the product. Additionally, content can be used in a way that influences real life. In this case, when a trigger is reached when the content is playing, it will cause an event to occur. For example, the content has the ability to turn the fan on. This is referred to as content-driven event.
This way the fan starts. It looks pretty cool how her hair is moving here. Now, movie number 3 starts, where we say, okay, please turn off the fan, or basically turn off the switch, which will affect the fan. And now, scene number 4, see it's getting dark, so what we do, turn off the lights.
The effect is digital signage that feels interactive and informative to the customer without requiring any additional action. So a simple shopping experience can become interactive without feeling intrusive. Once you understand the basics of how the system works, then you can really get creative. In a previous section, we touched on how the viewneo analytics system uses face recognition to provide you with insights on your customers. By combining this technology with the Butler system, you can have the content displayed change automatically to match the type of individual who is viewing a product. For example, let's say that there's a younger female looking at a pair of shoes in a store. When she picks up a shoe, a display nearby will be able to not just display information on the shoe she picked up, but also provide targeted offers on other shoes that she might be interested in based on her demographics. Consumers love technology that is responsive and helps to meet their needs. viewneo Butler is a complete integrated system that allows you to build technology into your store in a way that helps consumers and turns their shopping experience into a digital experience.